everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Vicky Otto. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please, you're welcome to join the family. So I got some items from Jumia like last month during their what's it called, Black Friday sales, and they were kind of cheap. So I got stuffs for vlogging, basically tripod, mic. I got sunscreen, I think, because the weather in Nigeria is really harsh, so we need some sunscreen. So these are the stuffs that I got that I'll be unboxing in this video. I know this big package, this one down here, it's the tripod that I'll be unboxing. I got two, one for myself and one for a friend as well. And then I think this should be the mic, and one of these boxes should be the sunscreen, and one should be the phone clip. I'm not sure, but when we unbox you're going to see. So I'm going to start with this big one. I have the tripods that I got, so we'll start with this. So I'm using a razor blade. To be honest, guys, I'm kind of scared. I don't know what to be expecting in this. Actually, before I ordered for it, I saw a lot of good reviews. So let's say I'm about 40% scared. Yeah. Right. So let's see. Okay, it came with a bag. Oh wow. Oh, okay, it came with a phone clip and Bluetooth remote. And this, it came with this. And this is it. It's in the bag. Okay. Now I'm kind of happy with this, I think. Okay. Wow, this is seriously nice. Wow. The quality, guys. The one I'm using right now, it's the silver type, and it's really not as strong as this. This one is very strong. I don't know if you can. Wow. See. Oh, it's very long. Okay, this is good. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Okay. I'm happy. This is the first one I'm opening, and I'm actually happy about this. This is good. This is super good, guys. So I want to try this. I think it's meant to be this way. I think. Yeah. And that's it, guys. It's not of those cheap qualities, and I'm super happy about this purchase. Like, see the down part. So I think there's no need unboxing this, because I'm sure it's going to be the same as this. So I'm happy. So 1 out of 4. So let's go to the second one. I don't know what is in this one actually. Oh, this is the phone holder. I ordered for 3 of this. So just the receipts. There's 3 of them. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And yeah, and that's what 3 of them actually looks like. Yeah. So onto this one. I think this should be the sunscreen that I ordered for. Why are you using this big carton for something this small? This is what came with it and this receipt as well. So this is the sunscreen that I got. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is it. I think for 1,000 plus it's actually very okay. It's not coming out. To open this part, it's just splashed everywhere, like everywhere, even up there. This is it. Let's see if it's going to leave a white cast. Right, so on to the last one, which is this. Alright, so this are what are in the package. The manual and the warranty card, and then the mic, the cables, 2 of it, this clip, I think, and the bag as well in that set. So guys, I'm actually very happy with my purchase this time. It's fine. Yeah, I was expecting something good and they delivered, so I'm happy. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, okay?